Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss inner joining in SQL, how it works actually. So let me show you the table first. So from here, the table, I have a two table. One is the employee table and another one is the department table. So let me fetch both the table and I will show you the record. Select star from and I will just drag the employee table. So here is the employee table and another one is department table. Select star from and I will drag this table department. So let me execute this query. So as you can see here, the from employee table, employee ID, employee name, employee country and department ID and salary. And in the department table, if you can see the department ID, department name and department location. So here the department ID is a primary key and in the employee table, the employee ID is a primary key. And if you notice, the department ID is common in both the table. So department ID is a primary key in the department table and it is also present in the employee table. So this department ID in the employee table is a foreign key. So now my requirement is to display employee ID, employee name, employee location and the department name. So employee ID, employee name and employee location is from this table. Employee country, sorry, not location, or say country, employee country and department name. Department name is not there in the employee table, so I will fetch it from the department table, department name, and salary is again on the employee table. So now question is, what is inner joining? So inner joining basically we will join these two table, the employee table and the department table, and when we will join this table we will see how we are going to join. If we will join these both the table, so whatever the common record is present in the table, both the table, it will return that record only. So for example, if you see here the department 1 2 3 4, so these are the four department and here you can see the department, last two department is the Priya and the GEMS 00. So when I'll join this, so it will only record 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. 36 and 37 will not return because the department ID is 0 and which is not present in the department table. So now we'll see the how we can join and fetch the record from both the table. So here I will type select and I will use a table name and here dot employee name, employee ID, then again employee name, comma, employee country. Okay. Now I need a department name. So department name is here. So what I'm going to do, comma, and I will use a table department, or I will simply copy from here, department dot department name I need. Then again I need employee salary. So it will come from the employee table, comma, and employee dot salary. And if you want to change the column name, you can also change. For example, let me bring this in new line and here you can say as emp underscore department, employee department. Now here I will use from which table? Employee table. Now I will join with the department. So here I will use inner join and here I am going to use inner joining. Join will imply with the department actually. Okay, department on which column, which are the column. Department ID is common in both the table. Okay, so I'll say employee or department dot department ID equal to employee table dot department ID. So I'm saying if the record, common record, the now department ID and this department ID, whatever the record will be match, it will display. And if there is no record match, like for example 36 and 37 employee ID, because the department is 0, it will eliminate, it will not display actually. So let me execute this query. So you can see 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So these all these records are display with the employee name, with the department name, and other two records are missing because the department ID is not matched with the department table. So if you will run simultaneously both the query one after another, so you can see here difference. So now I'll come down, if you bring this query here, and if you will run both the query together, so you'll see the difference. So here you can see up to 33, 36 and 33 is not there because 00 department is not present in the department table. So 1, 2, 3, 4 only are present. So that is the reason is eliminating. So inner query basically see the common record in the both the table, and which are matching, those record are displayed actually. Now this query you can write in the some different way also, and that syntax is actually applicable for Oracle, MySQL and everywhere. So now you will achieve same result, but I will write different way. I'll show you how you can write this. So here the column name will be same, and employee salary, employee, and here we will say comma department. From now I'll remove the inner from here to here, and I will use a where. So this, the column name is same as it is, employee name, employee ID, employee name, employee country, department or department name, and as a employee department salary from employee table and the department table, where department ID is equal to employee table department ID. So you will achieve same result actually. And let me now run this query. So you can see again same record and same, everything is same, only the syntax slightly different. And this will be actually like syntax is, if you run on the Oracle, if you run on the MySQL, if you run on the SQL Server, everywhere this will work actually. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.